Yeah. So what, this is Fuzz and Friends number 7?
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah. You better watch this.
Hold up.
Here we are. Team Exotic Pineapple. Got Fuzz. Tyler on the starting line, scratching his butt. Here we go. Here we go. Through the air. And when they walk, they do this weird like. And then still fast. They make these cool noises like. So here we are, doing wheelies, mad dogging it. My butt cheeks! 12 o'clock, boys. I'm gonna burn this flip-flop off.
Give Corey the wiener.
No, don't give me.
She wants the wiener. The saw, dude.
They left me and this dog. I was supposed to video their wheelie, but I can't run with this dog. I took an interview while I was walking.
With yourself?
Yeah,
Nice.
and the dog.
Oh, nice.
I don't know.
Just Rogan driving?
I don't want to die.
Oh, okay. Rogan, don't kill us.
Red Bull Slam. Double fisting it like the he is. Oh.
Maximum traction.
Watch out for those rocks. They move a lot.
Fuzz and Friends here. Ambulance cam.
Man down. Man down, dude.
Tooch and Cam. We're just recovering from Rose. Why not 2 breaths? Just keep one.
Yeah, I just cut one off.
You got one. How are you feeling today, Yoder Hoder?
Oh dang. I feel like I'm hunchback after that race.
God, those are firm.
Yeah, they are, aren't they? It's so fun to feel them.
10 seconds.
Oh, here we go.
There's a lot of dirt bikes in that class. I need first place Open Pro, please.
Thank you.
You're a wiener.
I know.
Hey, look, it's Brock cruising. You know he's fast when that happens.
Catch them falling on their face.
Oh shit!
What the?
What is it?
That's a big.
There he is! He is coming! You got a fat tire!
No.
Hey, you have a flat tire, yo! Yeah, I know. Fill this up! Rugged, fill it up! Do you want to be cooled off? You sure? I'll hold your bike. You can do a quick victory lap in the pond. Watch out, move! Get out of the way. Ah! I feel like I should help you, but you're at a KTM, so yes. Get out of luck.
Give me my back. There's someone else coming. Let me go. Oh, boy. Oh, he's coming. So yeah, thanks for tuning in and watch again whenever we get one around. Thanks to Frickin Films and A&M Productions. And buy merchandise, it's for sale.